This is a brand from Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. All of their units feature their MHT technology, which maximizes the heat transfer to maintain a compact unit at higher efficiencies. They use louvered panel construction, which provides superior protection of the condenser coil. The units are only sold through authorized dealers in the USA, and their guarantee does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has become the industry standard. The 4SCU13LB model is a basic 14-seer unit with a scroll compressor for reliability. In the premium category, the 4SCU16LS model has a 2-stage compressor and a compressor blanket for noise control, but they are still about as noisy as a vacuum cleaner. The units have self-diagnostic control boards that can store up to 10 fault codes even with a power interruption, which allows for quick and easy troubleshooting. The units have the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. The 4SCU23LX models are ultimate air conditioners that have state-of-the-art variable capacity compressor technology as well as variable speed condenser fan motors for quiet and efficient operation. The units have sensors to monitor ambient, liquid line, suction line, and coil temperatures for advanced monitoring and control. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.